Hey guys, I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of the FamilyPrep Survival Kit for a 4-person. I already opened up everything and it comes with 2 backpacks, 2 weather kits. The weather kits have emergency tube tints, reflective sleeping bags, emergency ponchos, and hand warmers. So there's 4 of those. A bunch of emergency purified water, rations, which is food. There's another water purifier bottle here, toilet paper, face mask, glow sticks, a really simple first aid kit that has band-aids, gauze, scissors, tweezers, all that stuff for emergencies, toothpaste, toothbrushes, soap, razors, feminine wipes. There are also needle and thread in there, shampoo, conditioner. You have rope, duct tape, cards. What else is in here? Gloves. All this little survival kit. They threw in a bottle here, which my daughter filled up with water, with an emergency straw filter. Bless you. You have an AM/FM radio, flashlight with batteries, and you have this booklet and also a notepad. So this booklet has like different emergency situations just to make you a little more prepared. But overall, I really like this kit, and I like that I can separate it into 2 and separate it and give my husband one for his car, one for my car, and I'm actually thinking about ordering another one so that I can have for the house. So like and subscribe if you like my page. It's so much random stuff, but this is just to make sure we are all ready for if anything happens. It was just an earthquake last week, and so we got to prepare. All right, you guys, and this is kind of like a great baseline to like even add in different things that we like for our emergency kit and make it like fun for the family so we can be prepared. Anyways, over and out. Until next time, peace.